There is a method called environmental life cycle assessment. And the method is a little bit similar to your CFO telling you that we have this thing called accounting. Life cycle assessment is the accounting of your environmental impact. And this is how you will understand, in the same way as in accounting, you gather the data and then you look at the data, you assess it, and then you make business decisions based on it. Environmental life cycle assessment works in the exact same way.
We understand that if we all want to go to net zero by 2050, and we are now all reducing our carbon emissions in short-term or near-term models, we understand that in the base year, you have a high corporate carbon footprint. And over time, in your target year, for example, you set yourself science-based targets until 2030, you will reduce your emissions, let's say, by 50%.
The risks which business leaders have identified to be the most pressing. And what we think is quite puzzling is that a number of the short-term risks identified include climate change threats such as failure to mitigate climate change, it's ranked as number 4, and a failure of climate change adaptation, ranked as number 7. And this to us implies that there is a lack of understanding of the interdependence of climate and nature. You'll also see ranked as number 9 in the short term are natural resource crises, which again would imply a concern over nature and biodiversity issues.